English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Good to be back at work, Neil.
Yes, Fei. I feel a bit better now. Just a little... just a bit of a cough.
Anyway, it's good to have you here because you can finally pay me.
Oh, right. Why's that?
Well, remember you said you didn't believe I could stand on my head?
I do. I said I would give you £10 if you can do it.
Yes, well.
No way!
There we are, on my head. £10, please. Time to cough up, Neil.
Okay. You can come down now.
Not bad, huh? Now, how about you cough up and I explain what it means?
Hey, I was only joking about the £10. Oh, okay. There you go.
Thank you. If you cough up, it means you give someone money, especially if you don't want to.
Yes, I didn't want to give Fei the money, but I said I would, so I had to cough up.
Indeed. Time for some examples.
I waited 2 whole weeks for my new TV to be delivered, and then I had to cough up an extra £15 for the delivery. I can't believe it.
My last trip to the library was expensive. I had to cough up for the fines for all the books I'd returned late. Whoops.
When I sat on my colleague's glasses, he asked me to cough up £100 to buy a new pair. Though I must admit, the new ones are an improvement.
You're listening to the English we speak from BBC Learning English. The expression we're looking at in this programme is to cough up.
Neil, that cough is still sounding bad. Have you tried the cough medicine I use?
Not yet. It's just a little expensive. £10 for a little bottle of medicine.
It's worth it. Listen, if you won't cough up, I'll give you the £10 back if you promise to buy it.
That's very kind.
Not a problem. And while you go to the pharmacy, I'm going to practice presenting the programme standing on my head. It's good for blood circulation, apparently.
Standing on your head is one thing, but presenting a whole programme? No way.
Are you sure? £10 says I can.
OK then. Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.